Now the other night I was charging my my iPad with this charger, and I felt it getting hot. But because I just brushed, I got a bit of a shock and it was hot. And then I looked at it today, and it's been fried. So I guess that could have started at me. It might put up. It could have started a fire. So just check your connectors and make sure they're not getting too hot, because it could be the sign of a serious problem. Not only could it destroy your phone, but also if there's any flammable material near it, it could start a fire. So be well. It looks as though this one did. So I was a bit surprised to see that this morning. So be careful with your iPhone connectors, and it's not damaged. The rest of it's not damaged. So it's there you go. Bye bye. Take care. Please share, like, and subscribe if you're of the mind. And Merry Christmas. Bye bye.